Hey y'all, it's your girl Cece, and I'm back with another sped up pictorial. This time, I need y'all to go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Stay tuned. Smart niggas of the white man's villain. I rock these linens for Wakanda look appealing. The best you rappers do is do a show, pay a visit while I'm really out here living. I'm in Kenya making shillings, I'm at home. Cause the flea market feel like Brooklyn on the low. If we spread the bread, we could do it alone. Stay up in your lane, but you knocking over cones. Okay, let's get started. First tip. Use that orange color corrector, ladies. It will cover up all those dark spots. Second tip, make sure you blend. You gotta pat that thing in, okay? Now that y'all know who I am, let's get into these eyebrows. Now, the first thing you want to do is draw your eyebrows according to your natural shape. You do not have to do anything outrageous, just follow the curvature of your natural eyebrow. And eyebrows are meant to start at the very beginning of where your nose bridge starts. So there is a good template for you. Now using my LA Girls Pro Conceal, I'm outlining my eyebrow. So this is the tricky part, right? I feel like everyone knows eyebrows are supposed to be, at the very least, sisters, meaning they should look somewhat alike. A lot of YouTube videos I've stumbled across, you go to these eyebrow tutorials, however, they don't show you the real deal when it comes to getting these eyebrows correct. So here you'll see that I realize my eyebrows are looking a bit off. So I'm trying my best to line them up and get them more aligned. I stood up and everything, y'all. If your eyebrows ain't right, you just will not have a good day. So I do spend at least 5 total minutes on eyebrows alone. What about you? Leave it in my comment area below. As you can see, I am still trying to get it right. Make sure you do this and take your time. If your eyebrows do not match, it will throw off your whole look. I'm done. I did it. Do you guys think they look better? Let me know. Now that those eyebrows are done, I can focus on this easy, simple daytime look. To apply these simple eyeshadows, it literally took less than 2 minutes. That means 1 minute per eye. The foundation I'm using today is all purchased from the drugstore, and this foundation is Maybelline Fit Me brand, and I absolutely love this shade. Always make sure that I rub it all the way in over my lips, my eyebrows, under my chin, my big old forehead. The goal here is to smooth out any imperfections and blemishes. Later on, I'll go back in and add depth to my face, and I'll also add some highlights. Here you can see that I am doing some slight contouring. Also talking to my husband in the background. When applying those darker shades, it's so important to blend those harsh lines out. You do not want to be able to see where it starts and where it begins. It should look like a natural sun-kissed flow. Flash. And here's the other without the flash. Thank you guys for joining me and tuning in. Until next time, peace, love, and hair grease. But remember, you're here at Amale Beauty with Coach C, where we are all the beautiful ones. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and I will see you guys next week.